Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, if you are trying to automate your LinkedIn outreach in 2026, save time and scale your lead generation, then this video is for you because manual LinkedIn outreach works, but it is slow, exhausting, and honestly not sustainable when you are trying to reach dozens or even hundreds of prospects every single week. So in today's video, I'm going to break down the best LinkedIn automation tools that can help you send the connection requests, follow-ups, and messages automatically while still keeping things safe and natural so that your account doesn't get flagged. I will show you what each tool does, the key features, the pros and cons, and which type of user each platform is best for. Now, if you want to test any of these tools for yourself, you can just check out the link of them down in the description. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, before we jump into the list, here are the main things that I'm going to look for in these tools. So, first of all, the tool should have safe automation limits. It should support the sequences. It should have a clean inbox or reply management system so that your leads don't get lost. It should have extra points if it supports multi-channel outreach like LinkedIn or email. It should feel practical, meaning it should save the time without making outreach feel spammy. So here, number 5 in the list, we have Valaxy. Valaxy is one of the easiest LinkedIn automation tools to learn. It is designed for the people who don't want complicated dashboards and technical settings. This tool mainly helps you automate the simple LinkedIn outreach, such as sending the connection requests, sending the follow-up messages, and building the basic sequences. So you basically choose a campaign template, edit the message, and it runs the flow for you. Now, if I talk about the key features, you can see for yourself. One thing Valaxy does really well is the campaign templates. It is going to give you the ready-made sequences like connect, then follow up, second follow up, and final message. It also supports the lead list importing, so you can run the outreach to a targeted list instead of the random activity. If I talk about its pros, I would like to say that it is very easy to set up. It is going to keep the things beginner friendly so that you don't feel overwhelmed. It is also going to help you automate without doing anything risky. The cons that I would like to mention are it is not the best option if you want deep CRM features, and if you are managing multiple LinkedIn accounts, it can also feel limited. So if you are a freelancer, solopreneur, or a small business owner and you want quick automation, you can just definitely check out this particular tool. If it doesn't come in this category, you can look for the other tools in the list. Now, number 4, we have Meet Alfred. Now, this tool is more advanced than the basic automation extensions because it tries to give you a complete outreach system instead of just sending the invites. Meet Alfred is going to let you create the full outreach campaigns that can include profile visits, connection invites, follow-up messages, and sometimes email steps too. So instead of doing the random LinkedIn actions, you create a proper sequence and it handles the workflow. So if I talk about its key features, I would like to say that the standout feature here is its smart inbox. It keeps all the replies in one place where you can reply, you can tag the leads, you can add the notes, and keep your outreach organized. Another thing that it offers is a more CRM-like workflow where you can manage the lists and you can track the campaign performance. It feels very much structured. This particular tool is going to help you track the replies and manage the conversations properly. It is also the strong option for the small team and agencies. Here are some of the cons of this tool too that I would like to mention. Like it can feel slightly feature heavy at first. If we talk about the pricing, you will notice that their pricing is on the higher side than the beginner tools. So if you want automation plus management in one dashboard, Meet Alfred would be a strong option for you. Now, number 3 in the list, we have HeyReach. So this is not a small automation tool. HeyReach is built for scale. HeyReach allows you to connect the multiple LinkedIn accounts and run the campaigns across them. This matters because LinkedIn has limits. So instead of pushing one account too hard, this tool rotates the outreach across the accounts, and it is also going to help you scale safely. So if you need 100 invites per day, it can split the sending across 4 to 5 accounts, so each account stays under the safe day limits. Its strongest feature is the multi-account rotation, which I mentioned earlier. The second most strongest feature is the unified inbox, where you can manage the replies across multiple accounts from one place. It also helps you remove the duplicates and keep the lead lists clean, which matters a lot when you are running multiple campaigns. Now, if I talk about the pros, it is one of the best tools for the serious scale. It is going to keep the outreach organized when multiple accounts are involved in it. It saves huge time because you don't log in and out again and again. If I talk about the cons, so I can say that this tool is overkill for the beginners. If we talk about the pricing will be more premium because it is built for the agencies and the teams. So if you run an agency, lead generation business, or outbound team managing multiple profiles, HeyReach can be a game changer for you. Now, number second in the list, we have reply.io. Reply.io is not only LinkedIn automation, it is a full outbound sales engagement platform. It is going to let you build multi-channel sequences where LinkedIn actions can be combined with email outreach. So your campaign can look like LinkedIn connection request, then DM, then email follow-up, and another LinkedIn touch. So this is important because in real B2B outreach, most of the people don't reply from one channel only. So if I talk about its key features, you can see for yourself. It is going to help you reply the supports LinkedIn automation steps like profile visit, connection request, messages, follow-ups, and also the task reminders. It also includes AI features that are going to help you write the messages and personalize them. So it can help you generate the connection notes and the follow-ups scripts fast. So if I talk about its pros, I would like to say that it is powerful for outreach team and SDRs. It is going to make your outreach feel more professional because you can mix LinkedIn and email. It also offers good tracking and analytics. Now, if I talk about the cons, it is going to take more time for you to set up as compared to the other simpler tools. If you only want LinkedIn invites automation, it may feel too big for you. So if your lead generation depends on the outreach system and you want to scale correctly, reply.io is a very strong option for you. Now, number one in the list, we have AI SDR. This particular tool is in a different category because it is not just automating actions, it is designed to act like an AI SDR. So AI SDR can automate your outbound process end to end, meaning it can help source the prospects, create the sequences, personalize the messages, follow up automatically, and push the leads towards booking meetings. So it is built for the business or the people who want results and not just the automations. If we go to the platform section, you can see for yourself the key features that it is going to provide you. So one standout feature of this particular tool is that it is going to let you use AI to build outreach strategies and not just the templates. It personalized outreach deeply by researching the prospects and their companies. It can use the intent signal and segment prospects properly. Plus, it is also going to handle the deliverability safely with mailbox scaling and warm-up workflows. If I talk about the cons, I can certainly say that it is not for beginners who are experimenting. It works best only when your offer is strong and you have a clear ICP. It is a premium tool, so pricing is not cheap automation. So if you are a founder, agency, or outbound heavy business and you want automation that actually drives the meetings, AI SDR is the strongest platforms in 2026. So these are the best LinkedIn automation tools that you can use in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you never miss any of our future tutorials and the review videos. Thanks for watching.